how to add verified number in Twilio. In this video, I'll show you how to add verified number in Twilio. So to get started, go ahead and open twilio.com into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. And then once you're signed in, you'll be able to find all of the accounts under your Twilio account. So click on that specific account where you want to add verified number to. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to find this sidebar at the left side of your screen. So once you click on that phone numbers button, you'll be able to find a few more items under it, since that is a toggle list. So under that, click on manage and then click on active numbers. So into this section, you'll be able to find all of the active numbers that you've bought on Twilio. And to add a verified number in Twilio, that's actually a different story. But in this section, you can go ahead and buy numbers on Twilio. So you can use the filter. You can also set the country and check the capabilities. Now, to add verified number in Twilio without buying a number in Twilio, you need to go ahead and head over into that verified caller IDs tab. So that is where you can find all of the numbers that you've bought on Twilio and you've used to verify your account. So once you head into that verified calls IDs, you'll be able to find this section. So in here, go ahead and click on this add a new caller ID button at the top right of your screen. Then you can go ahead and proceed on entering your country, number, and extension along with the verification code that you want to receive from that number. And that is how you can basically add verified number in Twilio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.